Last week I did 20 reps, so I'm gonna have to beat that today. All right. All right. Woo. Last week I did 27 reps, 250. I'm gonna do a warm-up set before I get into the heavy set. All right, so warm-up set at 145. Alrighty. Last week was 27 reps. You gotta beat that. Here we go. Oh. I did 16 reps with 4 plates, so I'm moving up to 5 plates. We're just going to do it to complete failure. So mentally, I just got to prepare for this to suck. All right. heart rate's up so high. One thing I haven't liked about this weight cut is I've lost a lot of mass in my legs. So we're gonna do at least one more set on this before we move on. No worries. First working set's gonna be light. One of the most important parts of this is the stretch on the bottom. Really feel the tension of the weight pulling the muscles. Last exercise, seated calves. I did 9 reps last week, so I got to beat that. Cool thing about this is it's so heavy towards the end. The weight's not really going to move, but the squeeze I get at the top is nasty. All right, I'm going to need your help to unmount this and remount it. All right, ready? Okay. Okay. All right. Yep, towards the end, it doesn't even move. That's how you know you're done. And once again, I am hobbling. So that's how you know it was a good one. All right. Let's review it. So I'm noticing with my legs, they look way bigger from the side. And in the front, they just look they look pretty skinny, especially my calves. Side view though, they look a little bit better. But yeah, specifically the thigh, like I'm noticing thighs look a lot better from the side. But yeah, we got a pretty good quad pump. Just keep focusing on going heavier and build from that. Leg day complete. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.